Hello, it's Thursday the 25th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So adding to the vaccination programme, which is setting the example for the rest of the world, the roadmap to reopen the economy has provided another tangible boost to the UK sentiment socially and economically. As you know, the main event next week is going to be Sunak's budget. That will help clarify what damage has been done to the economy by COVID-19 and the 3 consequent lockdowns. Naturally, he's under plenty of pressure to extend several of his support measures. That's coming from business leaders, trade unions, and of course, political opposition. The stamp duty holiday is looking likely to be extended, and the CBI has called for furlough to be extended until the final restrictions are lifted on June 21st, delaying the inevitable, perhaps a positive step politically though, which may serve to counter the bitter pill of higher taxes, which will no doubt be needed to help balance the books in due course. In the market, sterling stretched its recent rally even further. We touched 142.45 against the dollar yesterday. However, we were unable to hold on to those gains and we open around 141.35 this morning. It was a similar story against the euro. We touched 117.10 on the upside, but we opened slightly lower around 116.15. Powell completed his testimony to Congress in the US. Added to the FOMC minutes, it presented a view that the FOMC is fully aligned over monetary policy, despite the varying pace of the recovery across the country. And the Fed, of course, remains ready to use the full range of tools available to ensure the recovery is solid and sustainable once all that support starts to be removed. The inflationary debate continues. The FOMC acknowledges the likelihood of rising prices, especially when the restrictions are lifted, but they continue to insist that inflation will be controlled and will be dealt with accordingly. Euro dollar climbed to a touch 121.75 yesterday, but it ran into a degree of selling pressure with resistance around the 121.80 mark. It fell back a little on the close, but we're back up at 121.75 again on the open, so we'll probably have another crack at that resistance at 121.80 today. Think we'll break through it? Join me again tomorrow and let's find out.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.